sloping down like this, and then it goes kind of down, but then there's a bit of a lip, and then it kind of lips down a bit, and then it goes down. I think it kind of arches downward, and then not arches, but it slants down and then it curves, slants down and then it curves. So even here it kind of slopes down like that, and down in this picture again, this is the Street Fighter 5, stiff and straight, more or less, and then kind of wraps around like a hook, straight down ish, and then wraps around. I don't know if this is the lens distortion or what, but it's freaking complicated, right? Compared to this, where yeah, so this isn't, unfortunately this isn't correct. This was part of my mistake, I believe. Plus, in the fact that there's different variations of this, so it's just a hot mess. Anyhow, I need to correct this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unlock the controller, because I placed it in a layer and I locked it, referenced it. So based off of the concept, right, this is stiff right here, stiff edge, versus this. See these two buttons, and you could clearly see it's a stiff line. It does not slant down. So what I'm gonna do is right click face mode. I'm gonna grab, first I'm gonna make sure I turn on symmetry, and then I'm gonna go in here. So all that hard work that I did was, I don't know, kind of wasted. So anyhow, grab that, and that. But it's a good thing to still catch it. I'm gonna grab all of that, make sure symmetry is on, Object X, press D as in David. I'm gonna select this face to reference it in terms of alignment. Press R. I'm gonna pancake it like that. There. Right click object mode, like so. Alright, then, so if I'm looking at this, alright, here's that angle, and here you can see it, that angle is definitely not there. See? So what can I do to make it more simplified so it goes straight like this? You know what I could do is, first of all, what if I try grabbing just this, and this, right? I'm gonna keep these this data, edge and vertex, edge, vertex, edge, edge, vertex, edge. I'm gonna keep these intact. These edges, I'm gonna delete them. Right? Again, this is using base off of this, which is here, right? And then how this here, it slopes down. This obviously does not do that anymore, or at all. So I'm just gonna grab these three edges, and all I'm gonna do is shift, right click, delete edge, and then actually, if I grab this, if I grab this, and this, and then I do delete edge, or what if I go? Yeah. You know what? What if I just to go in and grab, I go and grab, delete that. And what if I grab that and that? And if I go and do this, yeah, I'll do that. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab this, and this. Press 4, making sure I don't grab anything else. Making sure I do grab this side, meaning object X. Right? All of this here. Shift right click, delete edge. These behind this. Shift right click, delete edge. That's gone. So I still have this curvature, which is going to end up being that. But then if I look here, right, this looks to be too deep, this distance. If I turn on my top view, oh god, please don't crash. Please don't crash. Alright, looks okay. I'm gonna grab all these faces. I'm in the top view. I turn on the controller. The top view. The plane. I'm gonna select all of that. And I'm gonna scoot it like that so it touches here. And it touches here. I'm gonna ignore this for now. Alright. Okay. And then from there I did that. So I did tighten it up a bit. Kind of. Maybe I'll go in. I'll grab all of this here, including this area. And then push it back. So before, after. So it feels more, less width from here to here. Okay, then what I'm gonna do is object. Oh god, please, just multi-cut. I'm gonna click here, click here like that, press W. Now I have that plane. This plane is this plane. Okay, I got that flat angle surface. This here. I'm gonna fix this up over here, which is here next to the joystick. For whatever reason, the Symmetry is not working. Maybe I'll change it to, I'll turn it off for now. I gotta remember. Object mode. Why is it fucking doing that? God damn it. Delete history. I'm gonna wipe this part off. Delete. Multi-cut. Click and snap. Click and snap. Press W. Alright. Delete history. Alright, so I fixed that. And then same thing with this here, because it has to just make a perfect slant. Edge mode. Grab all of these. I'm going to turn on symmetry back on. Maybe set it to World X. Maybe that might behave better. All of this here. And these. Shift right click, delete edge. Fuck off. Here, I'm gonna grab that, press G. G as in George to repeat the last command. Last command to fuck off. Good. Object mode. Delete history. Shift right click, multi cut, click and snap. Again, this is this area here, like that. Not here, but here. Click and snap. Press W. Nice, it worked. Right click. Why is it stalling? Delete history. Alright. So I did that. So that helped tremendously. Yeah, there we go. Here and here. Right. And then I have the slope. Nice. Turn on the side view. Right. See? Now it's starting to align. Now I notice this part right here. So it needs to be more up front. The way I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna raise the image reference like that. Then I'm gonna lock it, and then I don't know if I'm gonna go through the trouble of making the slant. And what I'll do is, why is it stalling on me, man? I gotta work faster. So First of all, let me grab. I'm gonna grab this button group, side button group. At the top level group, I'm gonna just chuck it here. Grab this one, press up arrow, chuck it there. Alright. Incremental save, press 4, right click vertex mode. Come on. Damn it, bro. What the hell? I'm gonna grab these. I'm gonna yank it. Grab these. Yank it. I'm gonna grab this. Yank it. Like that. Pull it forward. Grab this. Yank it. Shit. And grab here to here. This one and this one. I'm gonna scoot it up to here like that. Blop, 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 blop. I only have world X symmetry. Grab this here. I'm gonna pull it like so, like that. I don't like it doing this inverted outward. Then I'm gonna just grab all of it like that, the straight line. I'm gonna pull it forward like that. So I make sure to grab it like a marquee selection. I'm not gonna slant it forward. I don't know why, I just don't trust that. Or you know what? Fine, I'll pull it forward like that. I can't see too well, so I'm gonna go into the side view. I'm gonna grab the orthographic, go to the attribute editor. Color gain, tone it down. Go to the top plane. Top plane, right click on it, select objects. So that grabs the top orthographic now. Top down, color gain, oh it's already lowered, good. Set them both to reference. Alright. This looks like there's a slant as well. Right. Incremental save, right click vertex. This stuff here, I'm gonna grab it. Oh shit, I don't think I should mess with that. Yeah. I'm gonna grab all of this and I'm gonna just kind of pull it out like that. Before, after. Making sure I grab all of this, including that. Then I'm gonna grab this. All I'm gonna do is just shove it this way. I am not gonna mess with the up and down. I'm just gonna shove it this way. Grab this, shove it that way. Grab that, shove it that way. This way. This one, I'm gonna just shove it like that. This one, just shove it like that. Something like that. Right. So then this one here, right, it's a big fat plank. I'm gonna go shift right click, insert edge loop. I'm gonna check the settings for it, set it to relative, meaning that wherever I click and drag, it'll allow me to dump it wherever I want. I'm gonna dump it right around here. I can split it, let go, press W to get out of the tool, right click, set it to vertex, grab this vertex as a marquee box, yank it like that, scoot over, grab it, yank it like that. Maybe I'll go down and grab this, grab this as a edge mode, because it'll grab both sides. Oh, this is gonna look good. What the fuck? What the fuck is this? This is what I hate this model. Fuck. Yeah. Just gonna go and just eyeball it. I'm gonna align it to this line. This line is this line. So I'm gonna just something like that maybe. You know what? I don't need these lines right now. These lines, I don't need them. Right. I'm gonna say shift right click, delete edge, fuck off. There. Incremental save, delete history, and then this part is this part here, and it's malaligned with this versus this. So what I'm gonna do is bruh, whoever designed this product design is an asshole. And I'm gonna just line it like that. Grab that. Align it. grab that. What is this? This one? Right there? No. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. This right here, I gotta pull it down. There you go. Lined it as best as I could.